Hi, it's Steve Shalaby, your mortgage broker and realtor for life. Today's Monday, October 21st, 2019, and that means it's my favorite day of the week, Mortgage Monday. Today we're going to be talking about a subject that should be near and dear to every homeowner's heart, and that being property taxes. Today I'd like to offer you 5 different ways to reduce your property tax bill. So pay close attention, take notes, and if you have questions when we're done, call me or email me, and I'll be happy to expand on the subject a little bit and tell you where to go to get information. So let's get into it quickly. The number one way to reduce property taxes is, and believe it or not, a lot of people haven't done this since they've bought their home, is to file for your homestead exemption. This is huge. The homestead exemption in Florida is up to $50,000 on most properties, and that will reduce the assessed tax value of your property by $50,000, thereby reducing your property tax bill. So that's huge. I'd say the number 2 way to reduce your property tax bill, which actually could result in a bigger tax savings than the homestead exemption, is something called the Save Our Homes Portability Tax Credit. What does that mean? Basically, if you have had a house in Florida for a number of years, you may have a certain millage rate. You build equity in that taxable value based on the 3% cap of our Save Our Homes rules here in Florida. Well, it allows you to what they call port that's those savings from your old house to your new house. And that can result, and I've seen it with my own eyes, and in my own personal case as well, in thousands of dollars in tax savings. So look into the portability tax credit, or the Save Our Homes portability tax credit. Number 3, a lot of people don't know about this one, is quarterly tax payments. So what most people do is they escrow for taxes with their mortgage payment, and the mortgage company disperses a check to your respective county at the end of the year in November. If they do it in November, they get a 4% discount. If they do it in December, it's 3%, in January it's 2%, so on and so forth, and it's due in March at 0% discount. Well, what a lot of people don't know is you can set up a quarterly tax payment plan with your respective county. And with the quarterly tax payments, I know for a fact that Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties offer it. What you'll do is your first payment will be due in June of the following year, and it's basically 1/4 of the total tax bill. But instead of getting a 4% discount, it goes to 6%. So there's a nice little savings for you as well. Look into the quarterly tax payment program in your respective counties. Next, I'm going to combine these discounts into one, but you may find that you qualify for a senior's exemption, a widower's exemption, or a disabled veteran exemption. Those exemptions are also very substantial. The seniors and the widower's exemption are subject to qualification. You have to meet a certain income bracket requirement and not exceed it. But the disabled veterans exemption doesn't have that requirement, and you can actually eliminate your tax bill completely if you qualify under that program. So look into seniors, widowers, and disabled veteran exemptions. Number 5 is you might look into moving your homestead exemption. I've seen this so many times where people have bought second houses and ended up moving into the second house, and they didn't move their homestead exemption from the previous house. Move the homestead exemption onto the new house, which chances are is going to be a higher taxable value and give you a higher discount on your tax bill. I want to keep this video short. We're already at 4 minutes, but it's been a pleasure to explain the tax discounts to you. Call me if you have any questions. I'm Steve Shalaby. I answer my phone till 10 p.m. every night. My cell phone is 786-543-5115, and I hope everyone makes it a great week. Take care.